to Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question 37. The ultimate aim of agricultural output in Nigeria primarily is to achieve Nigeria is to achieve a embarking on buffer stock programs, full employment, industrialization, and industrial capacity utilization. So the main contributions of or importance of agricultural policies in Nigeria are as follows: provision of food, provision of materials for shelter, provision of facilities for recreation, generation of income, provisions of raw materials for industries, provision of markets for industrial goods, development of towns, source of foreign exchange, employment for the working population, provision of materials for clothing. So from this, option A says embarking on buffer stocks. Embarking on buffer stock. So option A is the correct option. So thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.